There are times in our lives when we are tired or sick of following our regular pattern of work. And in this time, we just think of is there any way in which you can reboot yourself? Yes, you can. Today I am going to tell you about these 3 R's which you can implement and you can reboot yourself.
If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.
The first R is remove yourself. Now, what do you think of removing yourself? Removing yourself doesn't mean disappear yourself from anywhere, but yes, it means like temporary disappearment. Yes. What you can do is try to take a step back and look forward to it, that what you need to reboot in your life, what thing from which you need a break. So how to do that? You can try to take a break. It can be a 1-day break in between the weekdays, or it can be a short vacation in which you can go for a long trip, or you can go for trekking, or you can just go to a place where you can just sit and chill for a bit. The goal is just to rejuvenate yourself. The goal is just to reset yourself to perform further operations. The next R tells you about rest yourself. It's very, very essential to give yourself some rest. Now, if you have taken the step of giving yourself a break from your regular activities, so you have to try to give yourself some rest as well. Rest just doesn't mean that you take a long sleep. It means that you have to enjoy yourself. Yes, you have to give yourself this opportunity that you can enjoy your life. You are having a beautiful life and you can enjoy it. So, what you can do with whatever activity makes you feel enjoyable, makes you feel happy, do that. The goal of this step is just to power yourself up for the next upcoming activities related to your job, related to your task that you have to perform. And the last R that I'm going to tell you about is recognizing yourself. Now, if you have taken step towards taking a break, towards resting yourself, enjoying your own company, which is very important, now try to recognize yourself, because this is where we lack most of the time. We do not recognize ourselves. We demoralize ourselves. We think that we cannot do that thing, or we are not able to do something new. We are not able to take over something which is not in our hands. It's not like that. We should try to take the risk. Always try to take up the risk in your life. And you can do that only if when you are rejuvenated, when you are energetic, when you are positive, when you are looking forward to do something different, something new. And this can only happen when you recognize yourself. And how you can do it? By only following all these 3 steps. The goal of rebooting yourself is that you are resetting yourself, you are powering up, you're charging up yourself to perform upcoming future activities. And you cannot just step back and you are like, oh, I have taken a break, now I don't want to perform anything. No, it's not. So that is what the concept of overhauling comes. This is a don't that I want to tell you. Never overhaul yourself with rebooting again and again and again. If you reboot oftenly, it will slow down your performance and you will just try to take often breaks from your everyday activities, from your responsibilities towards your liking activities, just to waste your time. If you are rebooting again and again yourself, it can make you a person who is running away from his or her responsibilities. So rebooting yourself should happen in a particular time span, like in an year or maybe twice a year. which can help you energize yourself so that you can perform your responsibilities and duties more well, not just getting away from them. So it is very important to be aware of your recognition, to understand how much you need and why you need that. Even I feel sometimes, that it's too much now. I am in a same schedule every day. So we need a break, a day break, or we need something which is different from everyday activity. Like this concept came in my mind, and I just thought of it to reaching to you guys out there and telling everyone about how you can do something for yourself, something which will make you feel happy, which will make you boosted, and which will help you performing in your everyday responsibilities. Just changing in little bit of your operations.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.